How do you work out this problem? Which operation? This is my question. Which operation do you do at first? Do you go for at first? Or maybe just like a lot of students, you would just go from left to right, or maybe do multiplication. Let's see what the correct order of operations is. To avoid confusion and chaos, mathematicians created a convention which is called PEMDAS, and it is an acronym. So let's see what it stands for. P stands for parentheses, E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, S for subtraction. And this gives us an arrow of priority from the highest precedence to the lowest precedence. What PEMDAS tells us is that you must go for parentheses at first because they have the highest priority. Then you're allowed to go for exponents. Then for multiplication and division from left to right. So whichever comes first, they have the same priority and precedence. And finally, go for addition and subtraction from left to right. So for God's sake, learn PEMDAS once for all. Never be lost. Learn PEMDAS. That being said, let's do the original expression correctly. Do we have any parentheses in the expression? Yes, here it is. This is the parentheses. Let's do this. 7 plus 3 gives us 10, and write everything else down. 10 minus 50 divided by 5 times 2. Do we have any exponents? No exponents. Do we have any multiplication or division? Yes. Division, multiplication, go from left to right. You can't say 10 minus 50 because you would end up with the wrong answer. You would fall for the trap, hook, line, and sinker. So just in this step, multiplication and division. 10 minus 50 divided by 5 gives us 10 times 2. Again, 10 minus 10 times 2. 0 times 2. No way, we have multiplication to do. So keep in mind, we still have multiplication. 10 minus 10 times 2 gives us 20. And finally, there is no more division or multiplication, just subtraction. 10 minus 20 gives us minus 10, and that's the final and only correct answer. For your homework, please work out this expression and put it in the comments below. Subscribe to your channel, Prime Logic, and like the video if you haven't already to support and motivate me. It means really a lot. I really do appreciate it. And see you on our next video. All the best to you, all my dear students.